Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the warehouse management dashboard under the logistics solution. So the warehouse management dashboard used to monitor the important inbound and the outbound and the inventory metrics of the warehouse in the different countries and the different regions. So let's reach out to the warehouse management dashboard. Here we are on the warehouse management. We can see the numeric data is displayed on the card widget were placed on the top corners, were placed on the top side of the dashboard, and we have used a different kind of components, table, pie, map, and the line chart. So let's get started. If I want to see the country-wise data, I can filter from the country like USA, Canada, and the UK from the filter, and the dashboard will filter all the countries related data like this. Now, if I click on the US, all the components will load the data related to the US like this, and I can zoom in and zoom out in the US map like this. And if I click on the Canada, it will load the data related to Canada, where I can see the total number of managers is 99 in the Canada, and I can zoom in the map widget to see the Canada's data like this. And the same, if I click on the UK, I can see the number of managers and the containers or the stocks or the warehouses on the table and the graphical data on the map like this. Let's clear the filter and see the overall dashboard. From the top right corner, I will clear the filter. Now let us understand the dashboard first. Here we have shipments. Here we shows the 782 containers per day where the item reached more than 1000, and also it shows the targeted and the actual warehouse picked. Now we have the sum of the total items in a warehouse worldwide reached, which are more than 833,000, and the dispatch 11,000 miles. Now we have the years. Now we have the year trend in the bar chart. So if I click on the Japan, I can see number of managers in the Japan and the sum of quantity by warehouse and container stock in the Japan like this. So if I choose the ID of 860 and click on the container availability, I can see the graphical data in the map like this, and also the number of managers is 2, and sum of the total items in the warehouse worldwide reach is 6015 items for the Japan like this. Now to see the overall value, I will click on the clear filter again. So that's it for the warehouse management, guys. Let's go to the introduction page by clicking on the home icon like this. So guys, here we have completed all the 3 dashboards from import export to supply chain management, and at the end we have covered the warehouse management dashboard. I hope you like the series of the logistics solution. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and like the videos, and also subscribe the channel for more fun videos like this. And also if you want to download the OpnBI tool, please go to the and from the website you can download the tool of OpnBI absolutely free. Just click on the free download and fill the form and choose your respective operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep watching and keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.